Hi guys, welcome to the first video of this channel. As my channel name TPT, which means trading, poker and travel. This channel is all about trading, poker and channel obviously. So a little brief introduction of myself. I trade for roughly around 10 to 12 years. So I trade for some proprietary fund in real life instead of the recent nowadays famous with all this online type of prop funds evaluation. So the first time I share my trade journal is on, I think around 5 6 7 years ago. I can't really remember that, which I managed like $1 million account in Forex Factory, FPA. I think you can still get all those trade journal on those website I have mentioned just now. So it's a little bit different when you work with the real life proprietary funds, mainly because in real life proprietary funds they don't allow you to do naked tradings. So I'm more expertise in option, exotic option notes, some cross market arbitrage. That's how I manage real life proprietary fund last time, like around I can't really remember, maybe 6 7 8 years ago. So unfortunately, when I do my journal, nobody is interested. Mainly is because it's not naked trading as most people does. So it doesn't attract a lot of people to view the trade journal. So let's dive into to as the title said. Okay, so the purpose of this video, I'm trying to bring everyone who are interested in trading. We are going to do some nowadays famous prop fund evaluations. So let's dive in straight into it. So I will bring you guys all to the journey, the whole journey of my evaluation, all the way to the live account. So this time for the starting, I will choose Tradeday. Why Tradeday? So actually it's quite simple because I have compared like the platform like Tradeday, the prop funds, or like Tradeday or Tick Trader, or maybe like U Profit, maybe Apex Trader. So the main reason I choose Tradeday because I want to build as soon as possible to $1 million account, to manage $1 million account. And then another thing is like so I think trade day is the best option. Then I could bring you guys all with my journey all the way from evaluation to a sign funded trader. So this is what I plan actually. So mainly I choose trade day because compare mainly I choose trade day is because compared to Tick Trader or U Profit or Apex, they are the fastest you are able to withdraw your money. So they don't have those like for instance, like in Tick Trader, you have to build your safety net first, and then you have to wait like certain period for Tick Trader. If I'm not wrong, you have to wait like 41 days before you can withdraw. If you withdraw before 41 days, then you have to profit share of 50%. I mean, that's a bit ridiculous. So second thing is, you see, trade day they give 100. Actually, I consider first on 150,000. But the thing is, you see, if you get 150,000, you are paying 350 per month for the evaluation, and then you got high 7,500 profit target, and then trailing max drawdown of 2,500, which equivalent to like around 1.6, 1.7% max drawdown. I mean, and then you have almost like 5% profit target. So there's not much point of it. So I decided to check on this one. So it's at 275 per month. You have a profit target of less 2,500, which means like around 5%. Yeah, it's same like 5%. But the main thing is this one, the trailing max drawdown is 2,000. So which equivalent to 2%. So it's much higher than 2,500. So there's no difference of choosing this and this. The only best thing, the good things is I think free one-on-one coaching maybe is good for somebody. Maybe somebody can share with you their experience of it. So I don't think I need all of this. Just because of this, I mean, position limits, it doesn't really matter because like 10 mini, I mean, if you open 10 mini in 100,000 account with only 2% maximum drawdown, I mean, this is crazy. You are gambling instead of trading. So 15 mini is ridiculous. Nobody is going to open 15 mini in 150,000 account. I mean, this is gamble. We don't gamble here. We do real life trading. That's the main reason. So another thing is, in trade day, once you get funded, I mean, once you pass the evaluation, you don't need to pay another activation fee like Tick Trader or You Profit does. You just need to pay your 100. If I'm not wrong, it's somewhere around 120 to $2 for the market fit data from CME. I think it's quite how to say, I think it's quite market price. Although I'm not sure because when I work for proprietary fund, we don't have to pay this kind of fees. So yeah, I think another so this is quite a plus for me. So and then you don't need to pay activation fee like Tick Trader is charging, like if I'm not wrong is about 250. After you pass the evaluation, you have to pay 250 US dollar for the activation fees. And then I'm not sure about market data. I haven't seen all that yet. I think it's free on Tick Trader. So and then the second thing is, in trade, you don't need to build a safety net first before until your withdrawal. So of course, obviously, if you want to withdraw with safety, so you have to build your safety net regardless in trade day or Tick Trader. Even trade day, it doesn't request you to build a safety net. So I think it's better for us to build our own safety net before to proceed to withdrawal. But the good thing is you don't need to wait like Tick Trader. You have to wait 40 days before you can withdraw. You can withdraw anytime with trade day. So this will allow me to, once I pass this evaluation, the first withdraw, then I can go. Obviously, I'm not saying like you profit or Tick Trader or Apex is not good. It's just they have certain time frame for you to withdraw. So if doing others first, so it will slow the whole journey or on this building a $1 million account by using the smallest uh, cost of it. So that's the one of the main reason I choose trade day. So we see 275 per month, although it looks expensive compared to like Tick Trader, for an express account 100,000, you got much higher 3.5% max drawdown. You got just a slight 1,000 extra for 1% extra for the target. And then you of course, obviously this is mean trading day. You don't have mean trading day compared to trade day, but trade day have 10 days minimum trading days. But the thing is, one, it's almost the same to me because you see, you although you are paying like only 99 for 15 days, okay, maybe 15 days you can get it passed, otherwise you have to pay another $99. So even if you pass within 15 days, $99, you have to pay another 245, somewhere around 245, 250, I forgot already, for the activation fee. So if you convert it back to here, so it's much cheaper on trade day, right? It's only like you have lesser drawdown. I mean, it doesn't matter much because like you only got like you only able to risk slightly a little bit higher compared to if you're going on Tick Trader, but you have to wait whole 40 days. 40 after 41 trading days only you can start to withdraw. I mean, this is compare. That's the reason. One of the reason why I choose Tradeday. Although they in TikTok Trader you can see is much cheaper, but all those activation fee you have to pay later. There is no difference, but you have to wait like 41 days to withdraw. So it's not. I'm not going to go for tactic trader. It's just I want to shorten down this whole journey on what I'm sharing. Bring you from the whole journey from the evaluation all the way to the live account as funded trader. So I will come back on Tick Trader or U Profit or Apex, but once we get this, then we will go on Tick Trader and U Profit or whatever prop firms are there out there to build as soon as possible to our 1 million target. So this is our main goal. So let's dive in. Okay, I will bring you the whole journey on this whole registration. So means I have nothing to hide, and don't worry, this channel is not about like I'm selling or on some sort of courses in future. I'm not selling some signals. So my profit came from trading. So the ability of trading is to determine my income, not from the some education cost fees paid by my audience. My intention is not on selling because there's no point. I don't need your few $100 per month to I can trade for living. So this is the main reason I create this channel, because I see a lot of people there. You see a lot of prop firms, they are trying to, not prop firms, I mean some of I see those channel, they said they are trader. They try to gamble on some of those out prop firms, and then to actually they are not really trading on those prop firms, they just gamble it all the way, and then they start to sell their signals, their so-called trading costs, expert costs. I mean, I'm not trying to say they are not good in trading. Maybe there are some good out there, but you have to keep in mind, a good lecturer doesn't mean they are good in trading. If our lecturer in university is good in trading, who teach financial, who is good in trading, so no lecturer in university, they are good at building your foundation, but it doesn't mean they can do it on live account, on live trading market scenario. That's the point I'm trying to tell you. So don't worry, this channel is not going to sell you some shitty courses, or to sell you some shitty signals. I mean, this no point to me actually. Okay, so let's get started. So we are going for the 100,000 instead of 150. I mean, yesterday I consider for 150,000 for at 350 per month, but when I'm today I try to double check it, and then I see there's no point. I asked for 500, another max $500 drawdown. I mean, this I don't need all this, because this is ridiculous to me for 50 minutes in a $150,000 account. So the profit target, so which means I have to get a slightly higher max drawdown, but I have to hit another $2,500. I mean, I have no point. So I changed my mind today. So I will go for this 100,000. So let's get started. I will bring you the whole journey from registration all the way to the evaluation, all the way to this what is called live account as a sign funded trader. Let's get started now. So we are going to create an account, register evaluation. So I'm going to type in my personal information. So I'm not, of course, I'm going to cover all this. I'm not going to give you my real information, give all my audience to see my real information. So give me some time to register all these fussy things. Oh, blah, blah, blah. Oh, 1 second, give me a second. Okay, country. mobile number. Let me find. 18 years old. Market data. I'm going on 9 max products. Level 2. Choose a name. TD plus. So I will going for TD Kimikaze. Okay. Verifying email. So I'm going to TBT. Okay. Password. I'm not going to use this. Yeah, there you go. Coupon code. Yeah, by the way, I'm going to introduce something for you guys. I mean, coupon because of the coupon code. So I'm using this guy coupon code. This what this YouTube channel, Iman Trading. I think this guy is really good at all about psychology and trading lessons because he don't sell any courses. And then what I mean, this channel I found it quite interesting for me. So that's why I decided to give him
Pedagang bijak tidak pernah
the introducing. So that's why I will use his code for using Tradeday. Let me see. Iman Trading 20. Okay. 1 second. I think I missed that. Am I correct? Iman Trading 20. Okay. I just use Iman Trading 20. Let me go back up here to 220 per month after the coupon code. Yeah, that's nice. Cheaper and I save some money. So I pay by my credit cards. Pay with credit card stripes. Okay. Collect my name, sign up. Tradeday members newsletter. Respect your privacy. Okay. Sign up. So I just save it. Okay. Save it. Okay, let me check. Okay. What is all this? Okay, card number. Oops. Expiration date. CVC. Okay. Save info. Okay. Submit. Oops. Give me a second, guys. Payment method was declined. 1 second, yeah. I forgot something on my bank account. Okay, there we go. One more time we tried it. Submit. So it's going to ask for my verification. So I have to open my Google and then go for my Gmail. Payment receipt. Verify my email address. Activate my account. Checking my verification. Okay, here they redirect me. Okay, they are asking me to watch this video. So I'll come back to you guys later.
Hello traders, this is James, one of the co-founders, and on behalf of my other co-founder Steve, we'd like to welcome you to Tradeday. Please take the time to watch this video. We know that you are keen to make your first trade, but this will help you get set up successfully at Tradeday. After you finish watching the video, navigate to the trading room page and you'll be taken to here. If you are new to trading and you don't know what futures are, I suggest heading over to resources first and working your way through our free courses. But if you're ready to start your evaluation or your 14-day free trial, the first thing you're going to have to do is set up the account in Tradeday. All our evaluations take place in Tradeday, regardless of the third-party platform that you might want to connect to the Tradeday evaluation. So the first thing you need to do is log into Tradeday and sign the market data agreement in order to get set up. Please note that you cannot go to tradeday.com to do this. You have to sign in through our environment, accessed from within our members area, members.tradeday.com, from the trading room page. You see Start Trading Now. Hit Launch Tradeday Trading Screen and you'll see it opens our environment at Tradeday, which is tradeday.tradeday.com. Fill in your Tradeday username and password. Remember that all Tradeday usernames begin with the prefix TD_. Remember the username and password are case sensitive. When they're filled out, log in. Please ignore this part here. Just log in directly with Tradeday. The first time you sign in, you'll be presented with the market data subscriber certification. Read through, and if you agree that you're a non-professional, hit next. Tick the 2 check boxes and enter your name as written here. Hit sign and it'll say successfully sign the agreement. You can download a copy if you need it. If not, just hit close. And then you're taken through to the Tradeday end user license agreement. Read through it, and if you agree, accept at the bottom here. From this page, it's important to remember that you're logging into simulation. If you're on the 14-day free trial or evaluation, it's always log into the simulation. The live trading is only for funded traders. So log into simulation and you're taken through to the Tradeday trading platform and the basic template we've organized for you. If you're going to be connecting a third-party platform to the Tradeday trading platform, head back to the members site and you'll see here trading platforms in the header and you'll see a list of instructions. We have the full instructions to log into Tradeday that I just ran through, full instructions to connect your NinjaTrader, TradingView or Jigsaw platform. So that's it. The main things to remember are you need to log in from within the members area to the Tradeday environment and always log into simulation. From within the trading room, we also have our daily morning meeting, which is archived throughout the day, our daily event release calendar, our live market commentary service, our technical analysis research reports, which are posted daily, and a link to the latest posts in our forums, and our live news market feed. The main navigation from within the members site is from the header menu. We have the trading room, the evaluation dashboard, which is where, if you're taking an evaluation, you measure your progress, trading platforms, which you just covered, and a link to our resources section, which is where you'll find all the things that can help you develop as a trader. 3 other points of navigation that I should point out quickly. From this drop-down menu, you can manage your account. From this fast panel menu on the left, there's links to things that are specific to you, for example, your course progress, or if you'd like to join our Refer and Earn program. And then finally, in the footer here, we have a link to our FAQs. And of course, you can always email us at support@tradeday.com if you have any further questions. That's it for now. We wish you all the luck on the platform. Please reach out to us if you've got any questions. Have a great trading day.
I'm back, guys. So as the video says, I'm using TradingView on NinjaTrader. Possibly I will shift to NinjaTrader later, mainly because when I want to take a lot of evaluation, so I got a very good like trade copier to use. So maybe I will shift to, but now I will be going, since I'm doing only Tradeday, so I will be going like TradingView first. So let's see what's in TradingView here. So TradingView, trade started. So log in, add on. So enable the connection setting to view from within. Log into Tradeday. Enable TradingView. Okay, so let me see, how should I do first? Okay, I'm going to Tradeday here. Let me try. Okay, remember Tradeday. Launch Tradeday trading screen. Okay, I don't need that. Okay, I have a look already. So just launch it. Tradeday, tradeaway.com. Welcome. As the video said just now. So I will be TD underscore Kimikaze. So password, my TD Tradeday password. So let's log in and check. So I just put it non-professional. Okay, next. Okay, I read. Okay, I just sign it. Put sign. I don't need to download it. Okay, just save it. Trade away. Accept cookies. Accept. Okay, I'm going on simulation since I'm not funded yet. Oops. Okay, loading finally. Let me check. Okay, now I got 100,000 here as the package I purchased, 100,000. So there we go. We have everything set up here. So maybe I need some app settings, subscriptions, add-ons. Yeah, add-ons. Trading view. I'm activating the trading view. Activate from here. Okay, then we are set up everything now on Tradeday trading view. Maybe I can log in from trading view here. Let me see. Trading panel, Tradeday, connect, Tradeday. Let me check it. Tradeday underscore, my username, password. Remember me because they don't remember me because I'm using. I just connect. Let me see. Hey. Okay. Demo maybe. Let's try again. Okay, there we go. We got 100,000 account. It's a demo account. Since we are not funded yet, it will be turning live soon, maybe. Who knows, right? So everything is set up on my trading view. So let's dive in now. So what's my plan here on my trading for this? Okay, I put it on Word here. So let's go for the plan now. So blank documents. So let me make it larger so it's more easier for you guys to see it. Okay, since okay we have, let me go back here and say trade. So I'm going back here. Okay, so I have 100,000. What I remember, okay, we have $2,000 drawdown as the rules. Okay, max drawdown is 2,000. Max DD USD 2,000. So which means if I max DD is 2,000. So what I'm going to do here, okay, let's go for instrument first. So I will be going trading instrument at only using crude oil. Yeah, CL as NYMEX contract trading instrument. I'm going for crude oil. Only trading crude oil because just $100,000 account. You don't need to a lot of other instruments because I mean you can't concentrate on all those other things. I mean, when you don't need to make yourself complicated in trading. I mean, you don't need to check like 10 instruments. I mean, there's no point for it because why people need other instruments? One thing is maybe they get boring trading on in single instruments, or maybe if you are a profitable trader, normally why they will choose another, they will add another instrument. It's not about they want more opportunity. It's just because they need more higher. They when they manage larger account, they need they don't want those slippage, and then they want to easy fill order. That's why they will choose. So at this point, I don't think we need a lot of others instrument. So I mainly only crude oil. So I just put it here, crude oil. So next will be, so here comes one trade risk. What risk I'm going to take? So people write risk per trade. Risk per trade. I'm going at 400 maybe. 400 is a little bit large actually. Actually in trade day you have to trade for minimum 10 days. So for 5,000, I don't think 400, maybe 300. Maximum risk. I mean, I think 300. I have roughly six trades. If I'm losing six trades in a row, then I will hit my trade drawdown. I think USD 300. I just put it 300 to 400. So we got 5 to 6 trades. If we lose 5 to 6 trades consecutively, then we are done. We burst that. We bust on that account. So I think it's fair enough. I mean, like 5 to 6 trades is, if the trade doesn't work out for 5 to 6 trades, then that means my strategy have some problem there. So next, risk reward ratio. Risk reward. This thing I have seen a lot of video online telling everybody like 1 to 1 billion maybe. I mean, I'm not here to sell my courses or sell my signals. So in fact, I need to tell you guys one thing. So don't, you see, I'm not going to precise what I'm going to do with my risk reward. So if I'm risking like three mini, let's say three contract. So my default stop loss will be like 10 pips. So which equivalent to like USD 300, 10 ticks, 10 price ticks is around USD. So which equivalent to right USD 300. Haven't calculate the cost of, or what we can say, the cost of trading costs, and then some slippage maybe. So this already consider 1R. If you want to call that 1R, yeah, 1R is, so that's my default stop loss. So what I want to say here is there's no point to chase for a huge risk reward in trading. The main point is many people tell you like, oh, 125 or 125 is good, but they never tell you whenever you put a trade on 125 of RR, so one risk you want 25 returns RR. I mean, you are market sentiment or market condition changes every minute. You cannot predict how much you are going to profit. You cannot predict that. Let's market tell you what to do. So you know, okay. So your maximum risk for one trade is let's see, let's take this situation. Okay, I'm risking 300. So my default stop loss will be 10 ticks on each trade. So USD 300. So plus the contract everything, so around 300 something. So you let the market tell you what to do. Let the market condition, let the price action tell you what to do instead of setting yourself a reward ratio by default. I mean, this is I don't know, I'm not that type of people. So another thing is a lot of people tell you, oh, 1 to 25 is good, but they don't tell you this type, whenever someone trade with this type of reward ratio, they don't tell you one thing, what we call as dynamite risk. What is dynamite risk? Dynamite risk is actually like nobody is. I mean, if if someone who set 1 to 20, one risk to 25 return, they never going to tell you what is the dynamic risk there, because nobody, I don't think anybody will hold one risk and then all the way the full position into 25 returns. I mean, there's no such thing. So maybe they close partial up here, and they move their stop loss up here and there. So this is the, when you set yourself, there's no point to set you have your rewards on the higher side. Instead, let's make it this way. You see, if someone know Monte Carlo simulation, it's simple. Let's say if you set 1-1 reward risk reward ratio, you run simulation for 1,000,000 times with random trades. By the end, most likely you get will be 50-50. Yes, that's the result. That's the math. We take away all those commission, all those whatever fees or whatever cost of trading. By the end, you will get the result of 1 50-50. Let's say you set you run simulation on 1-1-2-3. By the end, it's the same thing. You get result of 33. You got 33% of success rate. You got 66% of losing rate. So there's no point to set yourself a reward that is crazy high. There's no point. I mean, this is the same thing. For instance, like which one is better? Let me ask you this question: 1-1 risk, but my trading successful rate is 90% compared to 1-5, and your successful rate is like maybe like 20%. So which is better? Actually, there's not much difference, because you have 90%, which means you take 10 trades, you got 9R, you profit 9R, you lose 1R, you are winning 8R, isn't it? You are winning 8R. Let's say you got a success rate of only 20%. So that means you put 10 trades. So you are risking 10R, but you only got 20%. You are winning 2 trades. So and then you are winning 8 trades. You got 8R, and then you lose 2 trades. So 1-5. You got 8 trades. So by the way, it's just the same thing. So there's no point to set your own risk reward extremely high. Just let the market tell you what to do when you put on in a live trade. That's where my point goes. So I think crude oil, so the max DD trading instrument, risk per trade, risk reward, 3 contract, 10 takes, my default stop loss. And then what next one? So okay. So what are um, how many trade per day? Again, don't don't try to tell the market what to do. Let the market tell you what you need to do as long as you got edge in the market. So from 0 to 10. So I might got 0 trade per day because the market condition that my setting is not there, my high probability setup is not there, then I just don't ignore it. I don't want to force myself into a trade. So I put it 0 to 10. Why 10? Because if the market if the market allows keep giving me high probability setup, then it might goes up to 10. So we don't tell the market what to do. Let the market tell us what you need to do, what decision you need to make during live trading. So but I said something differently. So I will set myself daily stop loss. Daily stop loss. Instead of going their own daily stop loss, I will stop myself at two streaks, two losing streaks. I will call it a day because the market already, the strategy you are using already not good for the market. Maybe, and then you have to clear your minds after two losing streaks. I think it's the time to stop. But if today the market give me a high probability setup, I put it in, I'm winning one, losing one, winning one, losing one, and then the setup is skip coming, then I will continue to trade until I got two losing streaks, or 2R, or maybe I call it 2R. If I lose 2R, then I will stop for the day and we will come back fresh tomorrow. So basically I think that's all I need to tell you. I need to share to you guys what's my plan here. I mean, it's a bit, how to say, a bit basics. So that's all I'm going to share for this whole video, and I will upload once I will do in this channel. I will do it as transparent as possible. So every trade I trade, I will post it in my video. I will record everything on live market, and then I will post it, and then I will share it to you guys, and then I will share every day. So my evaluation dashboard every day I will share it to
Player
you.
ref-
So let me share it with you guys first. So I got 100%. 100,000 here, maximum position limit 10 contracts. I'm not going to use trend, I'm going to use only 3. So max drawdown pass, keep trading, days traded, keep trading. So that's all, guys. So once I got the first trade, maybe I share 1 2 trade in the same video. Let me check, let me see how it goes, and then I will record everything and share you on the next videos. Thank you everybody for watching, and bye bye, see you on the next video.